Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because I've been softly creeping. Left this set while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restful dreams I walked alone, narrow street of cobblestone. Neath the hollow of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People taking with you speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. And no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fool said that you don't know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I mean each to you. Take my arms that I mean to reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell, and they caught in the wells of silence, and the people were afraid to the neon god they made, and the scene flashed out this warning in the words that it was for me. And the scene said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.